should have done one of them under 10-minute videos. How to make tacos in less than 10 minutes.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, I'm going to be making tacos. Now I made tacos before in the previous videos, but it wasn't the proper traditional videos with the taco shells and all of that. So today is going to be that. But before we go any further, I need you to subscribe to my channel, MosToosifar. Follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well. Let's begin the show. So, first things first, what you want to do, you got some lettuce, you got some tomatoes. Open the lettuce, right? Bring it out. Take off the first layer, I always do that. Get rid of it. And this time, we only need a little bit, right? I'm just going to chop off probably that much. The rest can go back in, okay? Get rid of that. What you want to do is cut them in really small, thin slices, okay? Like super thin as you can possibly get them, okay? Just like so. So you can cut it again down the middle to make it extra, yeah? Just like so, right? Clean hands. Sprinkle it in again. Just nice. There you go. Chop it up. There you go. Done. Right? There's that. Now, time for the tomatoes. Get rid of the bit in the middle. Off you get. Get out. You can use, obviously, depending on the number of tomatoes, just, I only got small ones. These are the sizes I could get, so I'm using 3. But if you got different ones, there you go. Make sure you sharpen your knife. I've just sharpened up my knife a little bit today, and you can see the improvement that it's making, right? It cuts a lot easier. It's, you know, it's nice. I like this. There you go. This is how every knife should be every time you want to use it. So, chop, chop. Look at that. It does not put, I don't put any pressure on the tomato, right? Just slide it on top and it goes down like it's like you're cutting butter. We're good to go. Now get these to go into your bowl as well, right? Now look at that. Will you just look at it? It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Lovely. Right. What you want to do now is pop those in the fridge. I've got some sour cream in the fridge as well. Right. Next step is turn this bad boy on. Put the oil pan on there. Let it heat up. Chuck a bit of lovely olive oil in there. Okay. Add your meat. You can get it without making a big mess, right? Get that going. Spread it apart. Patting it out, if you will. Right? Do your thing. Or let it do its thing. And then, right? Give it a minute or so to heat up, and then we'll be stirring all of this back. Right, now that you can get a bit of heat to it, you see it's starting to change color and everything, which is exactly what we want. That means it's cooking, right? We don't want no raw meat or nothing like that. Okay, now let that go on. in terms of marinating this, you can either simply buy seasoned packing ready-made and just chuck it all in there and then leave it, but I wasn't gonna do that. I don't wanna do that. What do I wanna do instead? Get my pinch of salt, get some black pepper, get some turmeric, okay? Get some paprika, yeah, get it in there, mate, get it in there, right? And then a tiny bit of this extra hot chili spicy stuff, chili powder, but this is extra hot, so you need to go easy on this stuff, like literally, you probably won't be able to see on the camera. Yeah, that's enough. Now, what you want to do is mix up the whole bad boy. This is a big spoon for this thing, you know, I don't even know why I'm using this, but there you go. Right? This is a simple, quick dish to make. I should have done one of them under 10-minute videos. How to make tacos in less than 10 minutes. Because it is literally less than 10 minutes that you're going to make this. This is going to take like 7 minutes to make. Heat up, done. Chop up some lettuce, some tomatoes. What was your uncle, eh? Hey? Hey? What do you reckon? 10 minutes? The video's going to be longer than 10 minutes, I'm sure. It has to be, right? There's that. Okay. Let it crack on. Just keep doing that so it doesn't, you know, stick together. You want to get like small pieces in that. Everything cooks nicely, evenly, accordingly. Everything is marinated. Bada bing, bada boom. You know what I mean? Right? Look at it. Look at it. You see that? Everything's turning brown. What does that mean? That means it's cooking. You see the red bits there? They're obviously not cooked. So you got to let it do its thing. Get a heat to it. Let it cook. So that when you want to eat it, you ain't eating no raw meat. You know what I mean? Right? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Now, once this is done, what I'm gonna do is, I've got these, where is it? These taco shells, right? Can you guys see? It's not sponsored or anything like that. You owe me some money, all right? Anyway, put these bad boys, you can either put them in the oven for 3 minutes or put them in the microwave for 1 minute. I'm gonna put it in the microwave to save time, do a quick thing, and yeah, but not yet anyway, too soon. Let this cook, let this heat, once it's ready, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do. Because right now it's too early, right? You're only gonna do that when you're ready to serve the food, because you don't wanna keep the tacos, you don't wanna heat them up, and then just leave them to a side, and then, yeah, that's not gonna be cool and all of that. So yeah, there you go. This is doing its thing. Look at it go. Right, that's that, okay? You've still got some red bits there going on. My God, how long does it take? This is only like 400 grams of meat anyway. Full heat. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are 4 tacos. I've just turned them upside down. That's what they look like, right? Obviously, if you don't know, I'm just showing you. This is the taco. It's crispy. Turn it upside down. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 40 seconds, right? And then I've got pre-cut lettuce, chopped up pre-cut tomatoes, sour cream, and a bit of cheddar cheese, right? This bad boy right here is ready, okay? So we're just gonna wait for our tacos to come out of the microwave. Look at that, it's changed color a little bit here and there and all. Beautiful that is, isn't it? Right? I'm going to show you the step by step in what you need to do. I'm going to just turn this off because we don't need it. We don't need the heat no more. And they are ready. Here we go. Let me just get some for that. Done. Oh, exciting! Our tacos are ready. Let me make sure I get this in the video. It's all clear. Can you see? Make it all upside down. Right? What you want to do is simply stick a bit of meat in there. Not too much. You don't want to stuff it, fill it up or anything like that. Right? Then you want to get some sour cream. Little wallop here. A little small wallop there. Okay, some cheese, just a few of these, and then just a few of these. Oh, be careful not to spill it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is tacos. Okay, bon appetit, enjoy. I'm going to obviously make 4 or 5 of them, a few. Bon appetit. Enjoy. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come